Hey beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel. I am Lauren Quigley and I make epoxy-free tumblers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of my favorite styles from Mother Tumbler. Now, I have so many that I want to share with you and they are all behind me, and I'm happy to say that Mother Tumbler doesn't just sell our blank stainless steel tumblers. They also have amazing sublimation blanks. So if you do sublimation, I'm going to show you those too. Now, first on my list are the straight AF tumblers, and they come in a 30 ounce, 20 ounce, and 16 ounce. I love these tumblers because they are perfect for doing full vinyl wraps, half vinyl wraps, split cups, or your templates, like this one that I'm working on right here. This is not shiny or sealed yet, but this is an example of what you can do very easily with these straight AF tumblers. Next up, we have these beautiful curvy tumblers. We have the Not a Day Over 30, the Forever 20, and the Wild Child. So you could totally do a cute mommy and me set with these. I love these tumblers because not only is the curve beautiful, but you can make some really cool designs like this one that I did right here. And this is the Wild Child. I love, love, love this style tumbler. All right, next up we have the handled straight AFs. So these don't have any taper, these are just these straight AFs, but with an awesome handle on them. I mean, can we just talk about how cute this one is? So they're in the 30 ounce, 20 ounce, and 16 ounce size, and I feel like this is just so perfect. I just want to put a little half wrap on here with some glitter up top and a cute little vinyl logo right there. How adorable is this 16 ounce? That's why this line is one of my favorites as well. And these next tumblers are going to be perfect for you whether you like to enjoy alcohol or you're a booze-free babe like me. We have the tiny Tipsy, which is so cute, just so adorable. I actually blinged out this one before with a cute little honey drip. They are so cute, whether you want your champagne or your kombucha in here. This is perfect. Perfect for that. It's just so cute, so tiny, it fits right in your hand. And then we also have the 12 ounce boozy, which is awesome for your skinny cans. It doubles as you can hold your skinny can in it, or you can screw off this and you can put on a screw-on lid. How adorable is that? So I know that I have some skinny kombucha cans. I will definitely be using this summer. So that's why these are another two of my favorite mugs from Mother Tumbler. All right, next we have the porch sipper, which is the perfect size mason jar because it's like an oversized mason jar for summer. I absolutely love this style. And then we also have the mean muggin. Now, I could use these all day long. I love doing my tie-dye design on this tumbler because it just has the perfect like round area for the tie-dye. I love using these tumblers. So this is the Mean Muggin and the Porch Sipper. Last of my favorites from the stainless steel line, we have the water bottles in the 24 ounce and the 32 ounce. I love these. You can get a Turner attachment for these. I'll link one below from one of my girlfriends that sells them, but you can take off the lid, you can get a Turner attachment, put this right onto your Turner. I love these for my husband. He actually has quite a few of these because he needs to be hydrated. You know, he's at the gym like all day, every day. So I love this style for him. This is the 32 ounce, and then the 24 ounce I love because there's so much room on here. You can do a gorgeous serape or so many different ideas that you can use for this tumbler. I've even done a really pretty collage on this because there's just so much room. Now, those are not all of the stainless steel styles that Mother Tumbler offers. They also have a bunch of other ones, including like wine glasses. They have a really cool one called the Brood Awakening. They also have slightly tapered skinnies. These are just my favorite, and they are constantly adding new styles to their inventory, and they have restocks quite often. So now I'm gonna hop on over and show you the sublimation blanks that I love. And remember, these are not all of the sublimation blanks. There are so many. These are just my favorite that I have on hand. So we have the sublimation skinnies. They offer them in a 30 ounce, 20 ounce, and a 16 ounce size. My favorite by far is the 20-ounce skinny because I use this all of the time. This is pretty much my go-to. I use this for everything. I do a lot of sublimation sales locally to me, so the 20-ounce is by far my most popular. We have the handled 20-ounce, which is so cute. I love it because who doesn't love a good handle on a mug? Am I right? Now we have the sublimation mug, which I absolutely love these. I've been selling a bunch of these. They are so easy to use and press. I have a tumbler press. I have a convection oven. I also have the Cricut mug press. They fit in all of the things. I love these so much. And they have a cute little slide lid. All of them come with lids, but this one, it's so perfect. It's so perfect. Next up, we have the 20-ounce sublimation mug, but this one has this really pretty light, subtle glitter finish to it. So you can put any design on there and it gives it this really pretty holographic, glittery finish. And it's really hard to see on camera, but I promise you that it is there. And it is so gorgeous when you take it outside. I have used this on many of my retro cute mugs. We have the sublimation boozy, which is awesome because it's the skinny can one. I mean, who wouldn't want this for summertime? You just pop this in, you print your design out, pop it on. You can come up with so many different ideas for this tumbler. I love these so much. Sublimation, don't get me wrong, I love my glitter tumblers because there's nothing that brings me more joy than glittering a tumbler. Like, it is so fun. That's probably my favorite part of the process. But the ease of the sublimation tumblers is, you can't beat that. It is so fast. So fast. And let me just add, I've been testing out this really cool mug press from our tumbler press from Mother Tumbler, or Mother Subber, which is the sister company to Mother Tumbler. And it is so easy. I put that baby in for 1 minute and it's done. It is cooked, it is done. It is like the easiest thing. And now on to my last favorite 3 styles. We have the sublimation mason jar, which is so cool. These are perfect for summer. You can just put your design right on there. They are so cute. And then we have these awesome kids mugs. And let me just tell you, I have been gifting these left and right whenever I go to a little birthday party for one of my kiddos, which, if you don't know, I have 4 kiddos and it gets a little bit crazy around here, but these are perfect. I have some designs already mocked up that I make right in Canva, and I'll also link Canva below. I am a Canva partner, and I have my design, I put a name on there so easily, quick little gift, and they're perfect. They're perfect. My kids love these. They get all of my test ones, so each of them probably have about like 3 or 4 mugs of their own because I love them. They're so easy. All right, now I also want to show you something really cool. Mother Subber has come out with their own sublimation ink. I mean, how cute is this box? It is dangerously vibrant, which I love. Look, you open this up, we have a warning label. Dangerously vibrant sublimation ink. Just look at this. How cute is this box? I can't even. And these, you don't need any syringes or anything crazy to put this ink into your Eco Tank, which I have the Eco Tank 15,000, and I love it because it prints up to size 13 by 19. But these are so easy because you just pop the lid off, dunk it over, and it glugs right into the machine. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. Make sure to check out the description box below for all of the details on this, and I will even include a link directly to Mother Tumbler that will save you 5% off of your order from them. Now, I am a brand ambassador for Mother Tumbler, Mother Subber, and they are just a company that is close to my heart, and I have been using them ever since I first started on my Tumbler journey. Now, big thanks to all of you if you've liked, subscribed to my YouTube channel, and to those in my creative community. I love you all so much, and thank you for pushing me to keep going, and I will see you all later. Bye, babes.